Hello, friends. Today, we are going to learn about body parts. Are you ready? Let's go. I, E, Y, E, I, eyes. We use our eyes to see. Ear, E, A, R, ear, eyes. We use our ears to hear.
Ring-a-ding-ding, ring-a-ding-ding.
Hands, H, A, N, D, hands. Eyes. We use our hands to clap. Feet, F, E, E, T, feet. We use our feet to walk. Nose, N, O, S, E, nose. We use our nose to smell. Mouth, M, O, U, T-H, mouth. We use our mouth to eat. Tongue, T, O, N, G-U-E, tongue. We use our tongue to taste. Teeth, T, E, E, T-H, teeth. We use our teeth to chew. Head, H, E, A, D, head. We use our head to think. Hair, H, A, I, R, hair. We use our hair to keep our head warm. Neck, N, E, C, K, neck. We use our neck to turn our head. Shoulders, S, H, O, U, L, D, E, R, S, shoulders. We use our shoulders to carry things. Arms, A, R, M, S, arms. We use our arms to hug. Elbow, E, L, B, O, W, elbow. We use our elbow to bend our arms. Fingers, F, I, N, G, E, R, S, fingers. We use our fingers to touch. Thumb, T, H, U, M, B, thumb. We use our thumb to give a thumbs up, thumbs up. Nails, N, A, I, L, S, nails. We use our nails to scratch. Back, B, A, C, K, back. We use our back to stand straight. Knees, K, N, E, E, S, knees. We use our knees to jumps. Legs, L, E, G, S, legs. We use our legs to run. Toes, T, O, E, S, toes. We use our toes to balance. Heel, H, E, E, L. Heel. We use our heel to walk properly. Wrist, W. R. I. S. T. Wrist. We use our wrist to move our hands. Heart, H. E. A. R. T. Heart. We use our heart to love. Lungs, L. U. N. G. S. Lungs. We use our lungs to breathe. Brain, B. R. A. I. N. Brain. We use our brain to think and learn. Skin, S. K. I. N. Skin. Our skin protects our body.